BlockFi app. The pros, the cons. The BlockFi app is designed for users looking to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings while maintaining easy access. You won't believe how much passive income you can generate with the RAT strategy. Pros include the ability to earn interest on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins with weekly interest payouts. The app supports crypto trading and provides easy account management with real-time balances and price alerts. Security is strong, with two-factor authentication and insurance coverage on custodial assets. BlockFi also offers low-fee crypto-backed loans for users who need liquidity. Cons include limited coin selection compared to larger exchanges, and interest rates can fluctuate. Regulatory pressures may impact services in certain regions, and trading fees are higher than some competitors. In summary, the BlockFi app is perfect for users who want to earn interest on crypto while keeping funds accessible. It's best for long-term holders who want additional yield without active trading.